Now that summer has come to an end and fall is here, what are the experts saying about the housing market for fall of 2022 for buyers? The question is it still a good time for me to buy? Well, the short answer is yes. Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with Superior Town and Country Realty, here to tell you that the fall housing market looks promising for buyers. According to Lisa Sturdivant, housing economist for Freddie Mac, and I quote, "After the end of summer lull, and as mortgage rates stabilize, we may see a return of buyers and a relatively strong fall housing market. While interest rates have still gone up, much to the buyer's advantage, they are still historically low, and along with increased inventory, more options continue to become available to home buyers in a market that is still competitive, but not one where a home buyer is continuously outbid. This in turn gives buyers the opportunity to purchase while experiencing seller concessions that may not have been available the last couple of years. This can include closing costs, credits, buy down rates, and sellers covering costs of repairs. Also, if you're considering buying, please consider this short list of things to concentrate on to put yourself in a better position. Good credit score, personal savings, down payment, debt to income ratio, and loan type. Combine this with more inventory, you as a home buyer are in a better position to purchase and may have more room to negotiate depending on what the home was originally listed for. But as always, consult your experienced real estate professional for expertise, insight, and market updates. Experience in a market like this is even more important than ever. Please feel free to reach out to me today so we can better serve you through this buying process and help you find a home of your dreams. I'm Cheryl Folks, and remember, we love where we live and we want you to love where you live as well.